Welcome to the QB Technology Panel System presentation, an economical and innovative building material for today's world. Showing a new and sound way to build a home, this method saves on heating and cooling. Whether the floor system is slab-on-grade or raised floor, the most important requirements for a satisfactory finished product is a floor system that's perfectly flat. If using a raised floor system, it's important to securely fasten the edges of the floor sheathing to the rim joist. Each panel package is custom designed to the individual structural plan. The panels are lightweight, very easy to handle and maneuver. It takes 2 to 6 people to move a panel into place. The panels are attached to the floor system using common hand tools. Temporary bracing is used to hold the panels in place until final alignment is performed. Bracing shown is 3/4 inch electrical thin wall conduit with the ends flattened and bent for attachment to the floor and walls. It's extremely important that all the walls be set plumb and level at all stages of construction. See that the tongue and groove attachment system seals one wall segment to the next, sliding the panels together so that both sides are fitted tightly. These joints are further sealed with adhesive foam during the final leveling and attachment to ensure an airtight seal. This panel is 26 feet long. It's manageable without mechanical lifting devices. Thin straps that are used to hold panels in square during transportation are removed once the panels are set in place. Corner panels are secured inside by 90-degree angle metal. This method of corner attachment provides for a strong square corner. Wider flat straps that attach to the gusset plates on the inside of the walls provide the required rack and shear resistance normally provided by exterior wood sheathing. Each gable wall segment is put into position, squared, sealed, and attached to the floor system. With the gable end wall in place, the first panel of the rear wall is set. This is secured at the corner of the gable end wall. The bottom track is cut to allow for rough plumbing protruding from the floor. Temporary braces are installed in the bottom track of the panel. The final portion of the rear wall is set. The right side gable end wall is the last to be installed. The intermediate girder beams that support the roof panels are set on the previously mentioned beam supports embedded into the walls themselves. Temporary posts that support the intermediate girder beams will be removed when the interior load-bearing walls are constructed. A portable generator is all that is needed to power the tools for erecting a panel package. A hand drill, skill saw, chop saw, EPS foam rasper, hand saw, vice grip C-clamp, canned foam, regular hand tools, C-studs, and angle metal are used at various stages of construction. The angle track is attached to the top of the walls and used to attach the bottom edge of the roof panels. A string line assures that each piece of angle track is correctly aligned with the one before. The roof panel lifting device, lifting straps, and taglines are attached to the first roof panel to be installed. A hydro crane or boom truck can be used for roof panel installation. The first panel is lowered in place and attached to the gable end wall and the front wall. The angle track that was attached previously to the gable end wall is now used to attach the edge of the roof panel. Angle metal is also used to attach the bottom edge of the roof panel to the inside top edge of the front wall panel. The lifting device is released from the bottom side of the panel and pulled through the panel. The hole that the threaded rod passed through in the panel is sealed with the foam. The next roof panel to be installed is the one opposite the first one on the rear roof area. This loads the intermediate beams evenly as you progress down the length of the roof. The next panel is placed in close proximity to its final position and then wrenched into place with the vice grip clamps and come along. While this can be done by hand, these tools make the task easier. A piece of flat ridge metal that is bent to approximate the pitch of the roof is used to stitch the top edges of the roof panels together. Each subsequent panel is placed into position, attached, and sealed in a like manner. The last roof panels swing into place, completing the total shell construction in approximately 40 man-hours. Of the people that contributed to the construction of this panel package, only 3 had ever been involved in a project with this product before. The completed home has all the amenities of conventional construction, plus an energy efficiency that will continue to save money by reducing heating and cooling costs throughout the life of the home. The exterior insulated finish system is a thin acrylic polymer-based system that has a much straighter, more even appearance than conventional stucco. The longer-lasting color is 100% waterproof and will not crack due to expansion or settling. This product is used by most of the new hotel construction on the Las Vegas Strip because of these qualities. Enjoy the future today.